bouncing right here. Alright, so there's news at 10, and today's condition does look very bad. News at 10. Market opens at 9:30. And all of this is in Eastern time. So today's condition looks bad as of right now. Okay. Alright, let's begin. Yeah, today's going to be like in range. Like the market's going to be in range most likely, but more of on the bullish end. So if you have questions, feel free to ask in like the chat. The market's just chopping right now. Yeah, once this is done recording, which is like at the end of it, when I finish recording, I'm gonna post it on basically on the YouTube so you could go over it if you want to. The market condition is just really bad right now. So. I kind of want to say I want to avoid taking any sort of trade today. Is Trump is kind of speaking, so whenever he speaks, it's like the market's kind of unpredictable, and it's like when like he just basically just goes into the market, announce something, and the market just it just makes trading very unpredictable, basically. But this is for this week's news and everything. Looks like there's a lot of like red folder events. But you'll see from here. You'll see. Make sure to use the correct amount of contract and to prevent yourself from blowing accounts. Even if I see a setup that I'm sure of, I will still take it with the smaller contract. As I said, today's overall market condition is most likely going to be in range. Where our weekly bias is bullish. So mark this out. I don't think the highs have very much high potential reaching here today. It's gonna start chopping, and in a few days, it's gonna break through and go to this level. And this level is definitely like these two levels you gotta watch out for. It's like these highs are going to get taken. So might take an entire week to do so, but definitely not today, I don't think. Unless the news has a really big impact, which we can't really even catch news at all if you wanted to. Hopefully, you guys understand, like, in conditions like this, you can't really do much. Like, that's all I could tell you. Like, the market's just choppy right now, and condition doesn't look very good. So. But overall, I would say you would still be on the more side of longing and everything. It'll still be better to long today than short. So. Yesterday's condition was just really bad. I didn't even get on the market to be honest. I just watched the market and didn't even take anything yesterday. Yeah, and on the daily chart, it's just a bunch of chalk. Like whenever the market looks like this on a daily chart, it just means like the market is in very much in range. I mean, it could dump, but I'll still say it's more on the long side. Market opens in like 2 minutes. If market breaks this lower here, you're gonna see like a trend down. You'll see continuation to the downside. If it closes below this low. If not, you're gonna see very bullish volume coming in. Yeah, be aware that this is huge range today as well. So it just makes it extremely hard to like trade. But you'll see from here. You'll watch this. Yeah, as anticipated, as I said in the beginning. If it didn't close below, you will see very bullish volume coming in. So yeah, there's that. Do you definitely see it continuing like running higher? Let me see. Do you have a potential reaching up here? Check the 15 minutes. Yeah, this kind of volume you can only try to like catch it. But once it retraces a tiny bit, you have to just exit position really quickly. Yeah, it should still have enough volume to push higher, but if not, then you have to just exit right now. Yup, it's just good to um you can still hold a little bit longer, but once it turns, yeah, just close your position right now. I mean, I do see potential reaching up here, but this closing is really bad. It looks like it's going to dump now. So yeah, I just try to avoid it. Just don't take a long or short. It's kind of unclear right now. Market's gonna start chopping right now a little bit, but you just watch price. see. Should start chopping a little bit though. Did any of you guys catch any part of this long right here? Or no? How much are you up? That's good. Yeah, that's good. Yo, that's like a really good long here. Yeah. Like sometimes you could even enter like a small contract and stuff like that, so you don't really lose that much. But as I said, price is gonna start chopping, and everything's on recording. So when I post it, you guys could see this is live. Like everything's live right now. Yeah, as I said, this is gonna start chopping, and you see the market doing exactly what I said it was going to do. But this is analysis, so there's no setup as of right now. Nothing is considered as a setup, and nothing is going towards results as of right now. But if you did catch like my analysis, um, you should be able to. Yeah. Also remember, like, make sure size contract correctly, because I don't want you guys to blow your account. So you kind of get what I mean. Like, I don't want you guys to blow your account from just. Yeah, right now, if you're just watching completely, you can't really do much of anything right now. Don't take a short, but I definitely do see a market has a potential of going down, starting to dump, but it's just a lot riskier, you know? Make sure to use one MNQ, not like NQ sizing. Start using like lower contract right now. Like if you use like a big contract. Yeah, and also I definitely do see the market still being in like a chopping phase right now. It's definitely still chopping right now, so just be aware of that. When the market's choppy, it just means like there's a large percentage chance it's just very uncertain. As I said, don't take anything right now. It's just chopping. Still in like chopping range right now. So, do you see a lot of potential? Like there is potential to upside right now, but I would not take anything right now. There's not enough volume to take anything. So, yo, market's just chopping right now. So, Yeah, pullback could happen soon right now. But yeah, it's just shopping at range right now, so I will not be taking any sort of trade. News in like 10 minutes. Market's just chopping. You can't really do much right now, so yeah, just watch. I mean, right now, either direction could happen because it's just building liquidity. It could go down, it could go up, so that's why I'm not really trading right now. Downside is more dominant in this case. Like a dump is more like dominant, but I will not say this is like a high win rate case scenario. So that's why I want you guys to just watch like the market, like the trading screen, and not do anything. me see. Yeah, it's too close to the news. I just want to watch this one, you know? Just watch this one. This is low one rate, to be honest with you. It's kind of rejecting that, like, Canada already got rejected, so I wouldn't suggest taking this. But if you're just watching this one, you always see how the condition looks like at 10. If the condition doesn't look good, we might end the stream early today. Yeah, today's stream condition is just really bad. Yeah, it's the main reason is mainly like Trump is on and Powell speaks testifies at 10. CPI, PPI, retail, everything's in this week, so you gotta be very careful trading. So yeah, definitely if you caught that long, you shouldn't really be in any more trades. As I said, I did tell you guys it's going to start chopping in range, and it did happen, right? If you guys really take a look at what I drew out, it's perfectly almost in range. You see that, right? Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah, definitely at 10 you see how the news go. If it's not that great, then just don't trade. Looks like it's going to start dumping. You'll see. We'll just watch. Very bullish news, but yeah, very bullish news. Let's see. I'm gonna see if we could take anything at all. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to end the stream here, I guess. Cause like the reason behind that is like just don't see like the condition getting better anytime soon. And give me one second. Let me see. I mean, we have a potential of reaching up here, maybe pumping up a little bit, but other than that, I don't really see much. Like the risk is too great. You see, like if you enter here or here, the risk is like this. Like your risk is all the way like down here, and your reward's probably like this tiny bit. So it's not really worth it in my opinion. You know, like it's barely even like. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna just end the stream here. It's just like not good risk reward. You know, after this point hits, we might be able to head a little bit higher, but eventually it's gonna lose on its volume and start chopping. And yeah, I'm gonna just have to end the stream here. I'll have to see you guys tomorrow on the free stream, and yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, just be on off the market today. It's just really bad condition. Yeah, see you guys soon.